When I want something simple and I'm too lazy to think up a better solution, like maybe using an Arduino, or maybe I just want something that's relay logic, because relay logic and analog logic is extremely reliable, especially in harsh conditions. So in this case here, that generator video I showed you guys a few days ago, here's the basic relay logic that I'm building. We've got our primary activation relay. When active, it actually activates these two relays. This one's for the choke coil. And when I say choke coil, I mean literally a solenoid that's controlling the choke lever, okay? There's going to be a spring that'll do pullback, but this will move the choke into the start position and then retract it into run when the stator spins up and starts providing 12 volts to this, which will activate this relay, which will open the circuit to the coil and disconnect it. This one here literally replaces the switch, the run switch, or the start-stop switch, whatever that's on the generator. So essentially, when this one's activated, this simulates moving the rotary switch on the front of the generator to the LPG position. This turns on the choke, and this also cranks it, okay? And then the crank is deactivated by this guy, as is the choke, once the engine starts. Pretty cool, eh? All done with basic relay logic. Gotta love that. And let's demonstrate this. Okay, so on. Okay, there we go. So now you can see that that is deployed. And now if I short these leads out to the brown, to negative and positive, let's see here, like so, that releases that. So this guy here, once the stator spins up and produces 12 volts properly for charging, it can activate that relay, which will then turn off the crank and the choke lever. So there we go, basic 2 wires. These 2 wires control this whole mechanism that I've built. And yeah, again, this is version 1. So there's probably going to be modifications and revisions to it as I connect it to the generator and start testing it. So there you go, guys. Sometimes the oldies are the goldies.